In our report design, firstly, we need to set up our report header. So how we can set up the report header? Here is we can go through to Settings and Company Profile. And we scroll down. Here we are having a report header, which is our letterhead. So how do we design it? We can just click on Edit and we just type it in. Or we fill in the data here in the company info and contact info. And we click on Set with our report header. Then all the details will come down. But after that, I can just amend it. I would like to let it be left aligned, middle aligned, or right aligned. Everything is available. And also, I just changed the font size here. So this is how we can set up for our report header. Then after this, we just save it. So this will be the default report header, which will be appearing in all our report, including our quotation and invoices. And here we are having a logo, which I can upload my logo here. I can click on Browse and choose a picture to upload my logo. After that, we can click on Tools and click on Design Report. So from here, I can just search for my invoice of my quotation. So from here, I click on Design Invoice. And here's where we can come through to the design to design our invoices. So basically, what we'll be using is label and also rich text. Mostly we are using for this. So for label, we can drag it out and type the text here. So for example here, if I would like to have another thing that, let's say, my GST number or anything else, I just click it here. So it will be appearing like this. So I can amend it by myself. And also, if I'm having some remarks, which I would like to add in. So basically, it is fall under here. Okay, so if I have some remarks I would like to add in inside my report, which for each quotation will be or for each invoice, I will be having different remarks. So I can go through to Document, Info, and key in under Reference, or Remark 1, Remark 2, Remark 3, Remark 4, anything else. So let's say for this invoice, the reference I put ABC. I key in under Reference, and I save it. So when I go through to the Design Report part, I can drag out rich text. So from rich text here, I would like to go through to HTML expression here. I will key it as this, the block bracket, and also reference. After that, I click on Apply and OK. I save it. So here will be the area, which here will be appearing, the word that I key in reference. Basically, this is how we can do for our report design. And let's say if you would like to have your would like to let your text to be inside a block. So actually you can just highlight the things that you would like to let it inside the block. And from here, under the appearance, you can let the border become solid one, which means that there will be a block. Yeah, so because here we are seeing that this border are not solid, so it won't be appearing inside our invoices or quotation. So if I have clicked on this, my block will become solid, the border. So basically this is how we do. And down here we are having some notes. Actually, these things we can amend. So let's say if I'm having bank accounts, I would like to key in here to let my customer to fill in. So basically I just add it here. Or else I would like to have a space to let my customer to sign and to go to sign and chop. So actually I could just copy this and I paste it. So I just move it here. Okay, I just click on the line and move it here to the place I would like to let it be. And here I can drag out a block and key in the details I would like to have. So basically, this is how we can design a report with some simple steps.